Yatha bhumis tata toyam, yatha bijam tata nugraha. What a beautiful piece of Sanskrit sloka in Bhagavad Gita. You reap what you sow. I think when we get any opportunity of attending Bhagavad Gita discourse, we should never miss it. You may be wondering why am I even talking about Srimad Bhagavad Gita when I always talk about technology and operations management. Many a times in life we hit a bottleneck or sometimes even serious roadblock, not only in personal but also in professional life. In my opinion, the best source for solution to any problem is in the Bhagavad Gita. I am not going religious, but without a doubt, Bhagavad Gita is a scripture that provides solution to any problem, be it personal or professional. Let me share my own experience. Today, as I speak, eResource is a leading ERP solution company with their core development office in Mumbai, in India, and international headquarters based out of UAE in Dubai. We have office in Canada, in Ontario. We have office in Lagos, in Nigeria, and implementation in 18 countries. Right now, as I speak, I am here in Addis Ababa, in Ethiopia. I am here to review ongoing implementation. But you know what? Just until 3 years back, I always thought like any other software company that porcupines have quills and program will have bugs. That's life and all our customers need to live with that. I was so wrong then. I must tell you, majority of our resource consumption 3 years back was consumed in code generation, rendering support and fixing bugs. And I'm happy it is no more the same situation now. You know why? Because we invested in R&D, technology and innovation. Last 10 years, our technology and R&D team were working on developing a framework where there is no need to generate code. The framework is a software factory where you input the ingredient, which is your functional know-how, and the finished product, that the final software product will be produced automatically, and all this is without touching the line of code, a software factory. We invested a lot of time, efforts and money in creating this framework, and it was 3 years back we launched this framework and we call it Azalea. In the history of mankind, such framework does not exist. Azalea is an amazing piece of tool that is designed by the research scientists and the development team of eResource. In Azalea, there is absolutely no need to generate code, compile code, debug or publish. The framework is 100% configurable. When I say 100%, I mean 100%. Today I feel very proud that all our implementation are delivered and deployed on time and on target and with utmost quality and customer satisfaction. The framework is so scalable and flexible that even during the implementation, if there is any customization required, implementation team need not have to get back to the development team back office. It is all done on site and on the fly. It is truly amazing. And most importantly, all our customers today are extremely happy with our product and our implementation methodology. This is today possible because we invested our time, effort and money. Yes, you must invest to harvest. If you want to reap a good crop, you need to sow a good seed. So the deciding factor is investing in technology can help you grow your business. Technology is about innovation, and innovation in business is all about doing things differently in order to provide better product and solution and an improved service to customers. Technology is not just essential for day-to-day business processes, but it can also help companies to achieve growth and success when utilized effectively. Successful businesses don't view technology simply as a way to automate processes, but instead use it to open up new ways of doing business. Just to give you a heads up, to grow your business and to stay ahead of your competitor, you must invest in the right ERP solution that will help you automate your process, help you gain visibility, improve your customer service and customer satisfaction. Enterprise solution providers like eResource are here to provide you a good technology seed. All business owners, be it manufacturing industry or any kind of service industry, invest in right technology to harvest. You reap what you sow. That's the natural law of the land. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is Sudhir Soman Nair signing off. Thanks. Bye for now.